Does your family need a pepper processing machine like this one? Ogatex RZ3 egg beater can crack up to 9,600 eggs per hour and allows users to separate yolks from whites simultaneously. The separator strip can be removed in seconds if not needed, and reinstallation is easy. We will guide you through the preparation of Ogatex recipe, sheep-backed on salsa pickle. To make salsa pickle, the AMS 220 cucumber and pineapple peeling machine is used. Good luck and enjoy following this recipe. Let's see a manual watermelon cutting machine. This is a sturdy tabletop device for evenly slicing unpeeled watermelons. It is a manual device suitable for unpeeled watermelons. Easy to use and clean. Made entirely of AISI 304 stainless steel. Smart, compact and adjustable in thickness. The most modern watermelon peeler and slicer tool I've ever seen. Equipped with a 3-position rotating table. With outstanding smart improvements in their simplicity. Easy and safe operation. Equipped with the latest technology. Achieving optimal balance between mechanics and electronics. Welcome to this exciting video where you will see the process of making custard cream up to 15 kilograms. But that's not all. You will also be shown how to make delicious red bean paste, refreshing jam, and even a rich curry dish. Late one afternoon, when a sudden shower came, my friends and I gathered around the corn puff machine. The pleasant clicking sound echoed along with bustling laughter, making the house warm and bustling. The sauce has a bright red color, contributing to the aesthetic beauty of the dish. Red symbolizes luck and fortune, giving viewers a feeling of joy and excitement. The freshness and purity of corn is clearly shown through its color and shape. Each grain of corn radiates bright yellow light, creating a beautiful natural picture in the field. With its natural and fresh beauty, golden corn gives us a feeling of satisfaction and comfort. Removing fruit peels makes you tired and lose productivity. The KEA 700A fruit peeler will be a savior for any kitchen that needs an effective and convenient solution in food preparation. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of industrial food machinery. Leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep an eye out for our next installment, coming soon.